Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to go back and open up the top. And I'm going to fold that one in twice, 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to fold it again. And then I'm going to add some clips to it all the way across the top because I do have to hem the top. And as you can see, I'm just placing them in there. You can use clips, you can use pins, however. So with the corners of these, I want to make sure I'm able to go across the top and everything is folded down on the top. And then I can go and fold back the sides. So that way it'll make it that much easier when it is time to do my sewing. But right now, I'm laying everything out and I will be pressing it, but I want to prep everything before I move forward. And again, I'm going to do anything that I do on one side, I will be repeating on the other side as well, as you can see.